Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll see about the different type of change documents. This one you see here, the request for change. We have under scope. We have different kind of changes available. Okay, for example, let me show you that if I insert one more change here, and here you can see. You see some changes here. Okay, so what is normal change? So normal change will be having the daily maintenance and bug fixing. So these kind of changes will be covered in a normal change. And if you speak about standard changes means just doing standard configurations and no risk at all system level. If you do the changes, no risk, no impact at all. Those kind of changes will be covered in the standard change. And if you speak about urgent changes, because emergency fix in P1, P2 has been raised, we need to move changes after fixing that issue. Then we can go for an urgent change. Administrative changes are basis changes. So if you remember, in case of interface setup, the partner profile needs to be maintained in W20. And moreover, that is not a transportable activity that should be dependently done in each and every system. We can't transport these activities, right? And same with number range also. So these things should be done in the dependent system only. We can't transport one system to another system. So whenever any changes required without transport movement means those changes can be covered under the administrative or basis changes. So basically we will be creating normal change only always, but the project manager or change manager will decide whether this change should fall in the normal, standard or urgent change, because he only created the scope here, he only adding the entry her. Okay, in the scope you see urgent, normal and standard change. So that will be added by the project manager or change manager, not by the requester. So they only should authorize to do this. Okay friends, this is simply about the different kind of documents in the request for change. That's it from this video guys. We can continue in the next video. Bye for now.